I'm Dhananjay and I've built Agentonic, which is a client built on top of zerepy and is powered by Sonic. So where users can create and command adaptive AI agents using natural language prompts. So this can help them bridge wallets, analyze DeFi protocols, and also launch tokens based on real-time sentiment analysis done by tracking AIXPT agent. So I'll walk you through the demo. So we have currently 3 agents here. I've configured all of the environment variables here. So these keys never leave your wallet, they stay in your wallet. So they are very secure in that manner. You can add any additional variable that you want. I've already configured all of those here. What I'll now do is click on create agent and then type in create an AI agent that tracks DWF Labs portfolio for liquidity markets of DeFi protocols and help me bridge swap analyze and audit smart contracts. So this would create agents.json in my agents directory within zerepy client. So let us wait for it to actually create agents.json, and all of the things like the configurations, the traits are decided by the AI agent. So I have an agent running right now. You can see DWF Labs agent. Let me just tokenize it as a proof of ownership, which is an SBT powered by ERC2771. So if I click on tokenize, it uploads the agent.json to IPFS and mints an SBT to my address. So if I go here, you can see the traits, the bio, and the examples, and also the configurations, and also the tasks that it is able to do. You can also do view on Explorer. So you can see the proof of ownership here. Now what you can do is just load this agent or this agent. So I'll currently load this agent and wait for it. So the agent has been loaded successfully. So what I'll do is go here, check my balance first. I already have few prompts ready just to save us some time. So currently I have 14.3707S, which is around 0.4342 USD on the mainnet. If it was actually on the mainnet, I'll type in, can you tell me DWF Labs liquidity markets and the usage for all different taxes that are currently being tracked by DWF Labs, and it would give me the protocols that it follows, and has launched a new program called Liquid Markets to intensify liquidity provision of decentralized exchanges. And the protocols that are in it is Uniswap v3, v4, SushiSwap, and you can also see why are they and what are they used for. What I'll do now is have another query ready. So this would give me a step-by-step process. This is for newcomers to get onboarded quickly, because they don't have very much access to all the DeFi protocols, because it is a very fragmented space. So we help them give the best protocol for best yields and low slippage for swapping these two tokens. So you can see I have a step-by-step process, and it tells me Uniswap is the best way to swap your 100 USDC from Ethereum to Sonic, because it has overall 5.2 billion of trading volume. You can connect your wallet by going here. You can it would take you 1 to 2 minutes to connect your wallet and ensure you have at least 100 USDC. Then you jump on to step 2. Then you do step 3, which is tells you the estimated fees, which is 0.3 to 1% for swap value, including the Ethereum network fee. And then you can see Ethereum network gas fees, which can vary around $10 to $20, because it is Ethereum L1, which has very high fees, not like Sonic. Uniswap offers a fast and efficient way to swap with deep liquidity and its overall benefits. The risk factors can also be seen, and you can also always opt for alternative protocols if this doesn't work out for you. Okay, now all of that bridging stuff was done. Now let me see if it can audit the smart contract, and then we can move on to bridging. So this is a very unsafe smart contract. The provide smart contract unsafe bank has critical security vulnerability. The deposit function allows anyone to deposit funds on behalf of another user, which might be risky. So it should be require balances, which is like adding insufficient balance tracker, and it also lacks authorization, enabling anyone to withdraw funds from any address, which is very highly vulnerable. So I can also tell it, can you bridge one is from Sonic testnet to Ethereum Sepolia on my wallet, and let us wait for it to actually bridge from the source to destination using gateway contracts. Gateway contracts are currently the contracts that the agent itself creates. So we have two contracts. You can see one of them is in Etherscan, second one is on Sonic Scan. My Sonic transfer went through, where the source address sends it to gateway address. I've configured this gateway address myself, so this would stay the same, but for you the source address would change, and you can see one is transferred from source address to gateway address. And again here you can see one Ethereum was transferred from gateway address to the destination address. So I've received one Ethereum in my wallet when this transaction went through. So the reason it is still pending is because the gas estimates are also done by the AI agent and not by any third party. So this again is something that is already controlled by AI agents. So now the last thing that we have is a launchpad thing. So what I'll do is launch this, load this agent that I have. It's already loaded. So what I can do is create a launch token and just type in, can you launch an exciting meme based token on Sonic Place .net, and based on Twitter sentiments, launch this token and share some supply to my address and tweet this on Twitter. So you can see the market conditions were looking favorable based on AIXPT agent tweet, and it has already launched and supplied me some of the tokens. So if I go to view on Explorer, you can see a mint has happened to this address, which is my address. So if I go here, copy this address, go to my wallet and try to import a token, I'll add this contract. You can see meme Sonic was created, and if I try to import it, I have around 1500k meme Sonic tokens, which is very nice because it was all done by AXPT agent. And you can see the contract on Explorer, but it has also mentioned that it has tweeted this on the Twitter, on your Twitter. So let me just check if it has done so. So you can see 52 seconds ago, I'm excited to announce the launch of my new token called mSonic. Check it out on the Sonic testnet, and it has given like a contract address along with some hashtags, which are all done by our Twitter agent. So if I copy this and go to enter this address, it would take you to our meme Sonic token, which is already tweeted. So you can do 100 different stuff using just this client. And to install this client, what you can do is go to this release page and just install this zip file, extract the zip file, and then have it running. So you have the agent running now on your client-side application. Configure your environment variables, and then you're good to go. You can create an agent, you can do all the different stuff that you can think of. So this is built on top of zerepy and powered by Sonic. So thank you.